What's good, guys? How you guys been? Hope you guys have been having a good summer so far. Today I'm going to be taking you guys to my first ever car meet. I'm super hyped for this. I've been saying I want to go to a car meet all this while, but I haven't been. But yeah, if you're new to my channel as well, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Make sure you stay up to date with my latest content, shorts. I make POV car videos and all sorts of car content overall. But yeah, I'm taking my C43 to the car meet today. I only have a stage 1 on it so far. I plan on getting air intakes done soon, either MST or I've been wanting to go for logos, but they never really respond to my email, so most likely would go with MST. But I will be making a video on that as soon as I get it done. Enjoy. All right, guys, so finally here. Been a few people have pulled up already. Woo. Look at the 5.0. Damn. These all look fire, man. These all fire bills right here. Yeah, that's a demon. It's a drag. Look at the tires as well.
This one's pushing like what, 700?
Definitely, most definitely. The tires on these. It's a nice 911. How clean that looks. Cadillac. Nice. That's your tag, right? Your Instagram.
Are you like a mechanic or something? I do in my garage.
Do you mind telling us what you've done to the car so far? Overall, so, like mods, performance-wise stuff.
Big intercooler, straight pipe, I have valved muffler.
Word, yeah.
Coilovers.
You got lowering springs as well?
No, coilover.
Oh, coilover, right? Yeah.
Also have front mount intake. Custom headlight.
And how much horsepower did you say it pushes?
440.
440? Nice. 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 We're looking the... Jeez. And that's his Instagram speed ghost right there. He's gonna rev it for us, okay? That's still nice. Sweet. The sound is good. That's sick, man. Nice. Look what we found here. hard, bro. Yeah. It's like vintage looking cars. Yeah, lords, look at that. These rims, man. Jeez.
Like from the lineup, I could pick yours as the best year. Well,
Now mine isn't really built though. You know? Mine isn't really built.
yeah, but I mean like
Look wise, yeah.
That's a PC30, I think. Or it's a P something. I don't know if it's around here. Oh, MC20, yeah, I'm mistaken.
Another Hellcat.
Hey, I felt that.
Look at that. Show me the hood. Alright guys, so we're heading back to Toronto now. I didn't really get a chance to get capture the Hellcat lines and revs before leaving, but on the next time I'm gonna see if I could go to more car meets before the summer ends, but had to leave really quick because bit of a drive back. And if you made it this far, thanks for watching, man.